Good morning. The love affairs uh, gives lot of litigations, cause of actions. The love is not a new factor or a character developed due to new atmosphere or new devices which is being used, new communication, new information to the youngsters. But this love is subsisting, available even during epic period. In Ramayana, Mahabharata, everywhere love was prevailing, and the problem about caste, dynasty, clan issues were not only in India, even in Mohammedan laws, but Ottomanian dynasty rulings, Romanian rules, even Roman invaded a small town only because of their love. The prince of that small city kidnapped the wife of one of the Duke of Roman Emperor, and that resulted the war. Thereafter, that prince ran away from the city, which was totally destroyed. His name was Paris. So the present Paris was named after him only. The Paris thereafter became French. So all our history. Uh, 376 cases, 419 cases, initially promised to love, have cohabitation with the girl, then multiple cases. One more case is here. However, the court has decided certain issues. AR 2021 Allahabad 150 Sadhana Kumari vs State of UP. Contract Act Section 10(11)(23). Marriage consent agreement seems to have been executed, and they were living as an husband and wife. Subsequently, the girl was taken back to her parents. A habeas corpus was filed. Several provisions: Child Marriage Restraint Act, Juvenile Justice Act, Hindu Marriage Act Section 5. So many things have been discussed. Finally, they say, since that the time of execution of this particular contract, the girl was below age of 17 years. Therefore, holding that the very agreement is illegal. So he cannot be an expert to compel the production of the said Sadhana Kumari. Finally, denied the relief of habeas corpus and decided that habeas corpus is not pending. But however, finally, they have give certain relief in a different way. However, the decision shall not impede the petitioner to enter into marital relationship with person of her choice, whoever may be, on attaining marriageable age through a lawfully solemnized marriage or otherwise by any mode prescribed by law relating to marriage. But one thing is clear. This person, Pandey, proved himself to bring certain facts about the existence of love and relationship with the detainee to the court, means to several persons. To that extent, he succeeded. It's all right. Best wishes.